trouble, dear.
How you know?
I can see the police cars. You cannot see them?
I see something.
Oh, look at the tractor trailer going all over the road.
See that?
you see
Yeah,
that?
so dangerous. That I told you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Accident. Oh my God. You see the car, honey?
Way down into the median.
Oh my God. Oh my
Oh,
God.
that poor lady. She must have been so scared.
Oh my God. How she can go there? Suffering. Right, honey?
Someone crashed down here, too.
Oh my God. Not only one, two.
The snowplow's no plow, dear. Look, there's not plowed at all.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. No flower that way.
No snowplows. Look how deep the snow is on their road over there, on the exit ramp.
Oh my God. So have to be trouble for the flower, right, honey?
Trouble for the police department, too, now. They have 3 men over here.
I mean, they will complain flower. Why not do street good, right?
Someone should complain, yeah. We pay tax dollars and the snowplows don't do anything. They don't even work.
Have to have vehicle quality, honey. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Can have not only trolley. We see even the big truck in front of
us. Truck was going like this.
Yes. Oh, no battery now.